pretty much the best we've ever seen on the volcano. There's a reason why. The fire moving the water down here, all the elements that a volcano does and how it does it exists right there pretty much. Add a lot more color in the rock that you will find inland. Also better sculptured lava. And one thing that really makes this event better than all the others, how close we are. Not too many times you can get up close and personal, like Kilauea that happened on this volcano in 1959. Would have been pretty nice to see the highest recorded mountain, but again, you would have to. This is the only ocean injury in the world. Yes, that's what you're asking.